I recently celebrated reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube by traveling to Europe. I visited the Windmill Park in Holland, took a cruise boat ride down the Danube in Germany, and visited my wife's hometown on the Danube in Austria. In this video, I'll show you what's inside the box, the steps you need to take to redeem your silver play button, how to add the 100,000 verification badge to your channel, and 5 secrets to grow your channel to 100,000 subscribers. To be eligible for a YouTube Creator Award, you must pass the following guidelines. For the Silver Award, you need to reach 100,000 subscribers. For the Gold Award, you need to reach 1 million subscribers. For the Diamond Award, you need to reach 10 million subscribers. Your channel must be active, which means you've uploaded videos in the last 6 months. Your channel hasn't received a community guidelines violation in the last 365 days, which was a worry for me because I received a community guidelines warning over a year ago and it still remains on my channel. You're in compliance with YouTube's terms of service. You haven't been suspended from the YouTube Partner Program. Your channel isn't terminated or linked to a channel that has been terminated. You don't have content that is deceptive, spammy, or a scam. Your main content is original, which means that your channel may not be eligible for a YouTube Creator Award if it focuses on compilations, mixes, curation, or heavy use of someone else's copyrighted content or characters. Claim your Silver Award. You receive an email from YouTube on how to redeem your Silver Award. You did it! Your hard work paid off and you're now eligible for a Creator Award. Reaching this milestone is something to be proud of. It's no easy feat. Redeem your award and start celebrating by following these steps. You simply go to this website called societyawards.com/YouTube Awards. Enter the redemption code you received in your email, then click Redeem Your Award. It says your status is under review, you're almost there. Congratulations on reaching the subscriber milestone for a Silver Award. We're still reviewing your channel's eligibility. Our review can take up to 10 days, so if you only recently met this milestone, try back here later. Once our review is complete, you receive an email and notification in YouTube Studio from us from instructions on how to redeem your award. Well, I didn't receive a notification in my YouTube Studio on how to redeem my award, so I chatted with YouTube to find out what to do. After you've entered your information, click Approve and Checkout. You'll then receive a summary of your order. After you've submitted the online form, you receive a message that says, "Thank you for your order." Keep in mind your Creator Award takes several weeks to ship. I was on vacation when I received mine in the mail. Let's unbox the Creator Award together to see what's inside. Open up the box. It has a nice foam protector. Let's take this off. I also received a nice letter from the CEO of YouTube. I'll read it to you later. You also get this card from YouTube. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. And here's my silver play button. Let's see what it says. Presented to Dross Video for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's also got a couple of holes on the back so you can hang it up on your wall. Thank you for helping me reach 100,000 subscribers. Later on, I'll give you my 5 secrets on how you can achieve the same. Let's read this letter together that I received from the CEO of YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 1,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Waschecki, CEO YouTube. Thanks YouTube for sending me the silver play button. I really appreciate it. Approximately 306,000 YouTube channels have received 100,000 subscribers as of January 2002. That's only 0.62% of all YouTube channels, and there's 51 million YouTube channels as of 2022. Only 29,000 YouTube channels have over 1 million subscribers as of 2022, and that's increasing every day. This is the verification badge you receive on the YouTube channel when you reach 100,000 subscribers, but you need to apply for it from YouTube. Visit this Google address to submit your channel verification application. You receive this email after you submitted the verification form, and they say it'll take several weeks, but I received mine right away, as you can see here. Number 1, know what interests your audience. If your audience is not interested in the topic you chose for your video, you're not going to get many views or subscribers. Use the Research tab in YouTube Analytics to explore the search terms relevant to your channel based upon what your viewers are searching for on YouTube. You can also poll your viewers by posting a poll on your Community tab or answering questions that appear in your comments. Number 2, differentiate yourself from your competitors. Instead of trying to copy or compare yourself with your competitors, try to approach the topic from your own unique angle. This will make your videos stand out from your competitors' videos. Number 3, be consistent. Try to maintain an upload schedule of at least uploading one new video every single week. If you upload more, then you'll grow faster. If you want to avoid the stress of maintaining a regular upload schedule, batch script and batch film your videos. If you do this, you'll always have videos automatically scheduled to be published, whether you're on vacation, you're not motivated, or don't have time to create a new video. Here's another secret to being consistent. When you're not motivated to create a new video, just do it, and within 5 minutes, the creative flow will kick in. Number 4, don't obsess over views and subscribers. Most of your videos won't go viral, but will accumulate views and subscribers weeks, months, or even years after you've uploaded them. Instead, focus on improving one new thing for every new video you upload, whether it's a new hook, a better thumbnail, or improving your watch time. Number 5, and this is most important, enjoy yourself. If you're not having fun creating and uploading new content on a regular basis, you'll suffer from burnout and your channel will suffer. Try to upload content that not only your viewers enjoy, but you enjoy making as well, so your channel will grow for years to come. If you want to see more tips on how to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, watch this video on the screen right now on how hard is it to get to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. You'll be glad you did.